Well, I do apologise. I've been quite lazy with the camera, and I've done a little bit more than I should have done. Sorry guys, and welcome new subscribers. Welcome to the channel, and my fun trying to build this Lamborghini countach. So let me just turn the camera back around for you to see. And this is what I've been getting up to. I do apologise, like I say. So this takes the contour of the windscreen and takes the load of the window on the bottom. This is for the front, as they call it. Got the frame ready for that. Done a bit of spray painting on there. So that takes the load of the front, and I'm just about to weld it up because it's all ready to go. Not really much to see at the moment, but next Friday we're picking up the parts car, so we're on a nice journey up there and get that. And yeah, sorry about that guys, just I've been flat out in work as well, just haven't had time to really do much. That didn't really take long, to be honest, but I just wanted to get this little bit done here out the way. I was lucky enough to get hold of a proper picture of the original countach chassis in this picture. And I got a picture of one of the doors in this picture. So they've been a great help. That's my kind of what I'm working off, trying to make this chassis that I got very similar to an original chassis. That's why I put in these this support. Sprayed it all now. and that's on the original as well. Not quite, doesn't quite look like that on the picture that I've shown you, but they're there. They're structural. So like I say, thank you for everybody subscribing. Everybody looks at their the channel and watching how I'm progressing very slowly, but we're getting there. And I can't thank you enough. Keep watching the videos and subscribing to everybody. Much appreciated. You know, love you all, and just keep out for the new videos coming out. So see you in the next one. Thanks again.